Want to make money while you sleep? That's the dream, right? Well, in 2025, it's more possible than ever. And you don't even need to start with a lot of cash. In fact, some of these methods require $0 upfront investment. Stick around, because idea number 5 could change your life. First up, print on demand. Got a creative spark? Use free tools like Canva to design t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, you name it. Then sell them through platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. You only pay when you make a sale, so there's zero upfront cost. Use ChatGPT for product descriptions and marketing ideas. Got knowledge in a specific area? Write an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP). You can use tools like Grammarly or even ChatGPT to help polish your writing. Once it's live, it keeps earning money with every sale. Average self-published authors make $1,000 per month with 1 to 2 books. Yes, YouTube can be passive, without showing your face. Start a Faceless channel using AI voiceovers and royalty-free stock footage. Channels focused on motivation, finance, or history are killing it right now. Tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and Canva make it easy. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Got a phone or a laptop? That's all you need for affiliate marketing. Promote products on a blog or TikTok using unique links. Every time someone buys, you get a cut. Join programs like Amazon Associates or share a sale to get started for free. No inventory, no customer service, just commissions. Finally, let's talk digital products. Whether it's a budget tracker, a Notion template, or a social media planner, you can sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Create it once and earn forever. You don't need to be a designer. Just solve a real-world problem. A $5 template that sells 200 times equals 1,000 plus with no extra work. Remember, passive income isn't instant income. It takes time, effort, and consistency up front. But once it's running, you'll thank yourself every single day. Start with one idea, take action today, and let your money work for you in 2025. Like, comment. Which idea will you try first? Subscribe for more finance hacks.